Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry for the state of me, it is absolutely really hot. It's so hot tonight. Sorry for the state I look right now, but I wanted to tell you guys that this is the wardrobe transformation, and I'm going from this wardrobe to an IKEA packed wardrobe which I have designed myself, and I cannot wait to show you guys the process. So I hope you guys enjoy. So as always, I'm going to show you a before of what the wardrobe looks like now, and then I'm going to show you the after, show you the whole process, how it's going along. And yeah, I'm so excited and I cannot wait to show you guys. There's going to be loads of like wardrobe updates, organisations going on, and I cannot wait to show you guys.
Had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this.
Guys, have enjoyed today's video. As always, if you have enjoyed, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Holding back, still holding back.